Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show? Have you ever imagined the power and tools needed to bring down a giant tree towering like a building? The sound of the chainsaw rips through the still air, wood dust flying everywhere in the faint light filtering through the dense leaves. A scene full of tension, but also symbolic.
It's starting to open up a bit. Final look. 7 foot 30. At the bottom scale.
Wow! The man riding the motorcycle skillfully maneuvers it up the hill, carrying a large load of wood.
Gas! Oh! Edan, man. Edan, iya, Mak. Mantap, man.
The weight behind is so heavy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah Pak Tunja. Ya Allah Pak khair taraf.
Oh my God, a sudden twist of the throttle could make both men fall off. Wow! I think going down this hill would be pretty easy for the driver. This is a slow-motion shot showing the incredible weight of the giant tree being brought down, with dust flying wildly through the air. There's a strange emotional pull to it. Everything seems to slow down as we witness the collapse of a living monument. Let's witness more scenes of massive tree trunks crashing to the ground in all their grandeur. Which tree felling moment do you love the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. The scene of two people working together to pull a cart full of wood down the hill, a lesson in strength and teamwork. The driver struggles to maintain balance, while the two in front push and hold to prevent the cart from losing control. Wow! Against the backdrop of pure white snow, the powerful vehicle pulls a large tree trunk, carrying with it the strength of machinery and human hands. Oh, tree trimming near the house. A task that seems simple but requires skill and absolute safety. In just a few minutes, the dense branches are neatly taken care of. Tall trees near residential areas, if not trimmed regularly, can pose the risk of branches breaking and falling during bad weather, especially during the rainy and stormy seasons. The The tough tree roots now must surrender to the power of this machine. Watch how this machine turns a seemingly impossible task of tree removal into an easy reality. Instead of relying on manual labor with hoes and shovels, this technology delivers superior results. The machine's design is optimized with strong gripping arms that can tightly clamp around the tree trunk, generating powerful force to uproot it. Since the space is quite narrow, they will remove this large tree by cutting it into sections from the top like this to avoid damaging anything around it. Oh, feast your eyes on the wood crusher, where industrial power meets the winter beauty of nature. The mobile wood crusher with a built-in hopper is a breakthrough in wood processing technology, combining high performance with flexibility. The wood chip container is a crucial part of the design, ensuring that the wood chips are neatly and efficiently collected after being processed, ready for transportation or immediate use. Thanks to its mobility, the machine can be deployed directly at the extraction site, saving on the cost of transporting raw wood to the factory. The giant machine is designed to handle tasks that seem impossible, uprooting trees, plowing through hard soil, and quickly clearing the ground. This is not just a job, it's an art. The art of conquering nature with cutting-edge technology. However, it's not an easy victory. How do you think massive tree trunks are moved across swampy terrain? Take a look at how humans conquer nature with this powerful machine. The machine is equipped with large wheels featuring deep treads, providing excellent traction even in slippery conditions. Its powerful engine, combined with a specialized winch system, allows it to haul tree trunks weighing tons through rugged, hilly areas without damaging the surrounding landscape. Have you ever seen a massive ancient tree hollow on the inside, standing like a ticking time bomb ready to collapse at any moment? A professional team, combining expertise and technology, is taking on the challenge of dealing with this hollow giant to prevent a potential disaster. This hollowing phenomenon in trees often occurs due to the natural decay of the inner wood, caused by fungi, pests, or environmental conditions. The tree is left with only a thin outer shell, insufficient to bear its weight or withstand strong winds or pressure. In situations like these, modern equipment is not enough. A highly experienced team with seamless coordination and strict adherence to safety protocols is essential. Every saw operation, every cut made to the tree, is a carefully calculated step where even the smallest mistake could lead to serious consequences. They tie ropes and carefully lower each cut section of the tree from above. Only this method allows the massive tree to be safely taken down in such a confined space. The team keeps working methodically, cutting section by section and lowering each piece with ropes. Once they reach a certain height on the tree, they begin descending to cut closer to the base. This hollow ancient tree, whose rings once told the story of time, is now carefully removed to make way for safety and new growth. A journey not for the faint-hearted. Men transport massive, towering logs on motorbikes, navigating steep, narrow, and rugged paths. When humans face the forces of nature, willpower and creativity remain their greatest weapons.
Tagpuan ikaw eh.
Oh my God! A man with extraordinary driving skills. Oh no! What happened to the saws in that tiny tree? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 saws stuck in this tree. Oh, a heavy-duty timber truck, wrapped in chains, pulling huge, long logs from deep within the forest. It's truly amazing and majestic. Have you ever witnessed a powerful machine that, with just one twist, can crush even the toughest tree stumps? Watch how the machine drills deep and cleans out the stumps, a true testament to the power of mechanization, far beyond human strength. The spiraling part at the back of the machine works like a giant drill. With powerful rotational force from the hydraulic system and a super durable alloy design, it can plunge deep into the earth, crushing and cutting through even the toughest tree roots. This machine tackles the problem thoroughly, saving time and reducing human labor. You won't believe the speed at which this machine transforms massive trees into piles of sawdust, ready for reuse. Each cut, every spin of the blade, is designed for maximum efficiency without wasting any resources. A symbol of modern engineering power, delivering effectiveness and sustainability in forest resource management. Oh, a man cutting a tree from above, sawing with one hand while standing on a branch. It looks pretty dangerous up there. Oh my God! He wasn't properly equipped with safety gear. Oh, a huge tree has fallen, uprooting its entire roots. Everyone needs to be cautious about large trees near homes during the rainy and stormy season. The man is cutting the tree into sections to clean up the scene. Wow, look at how those massive logs are loaded onto the heavy-duty truck from deep within the forest. Jobs like this are not something we should get close to. Just a small slip could cause the logs to fall, creating many dangerous moments. These are experienced, skilled loggers working together in perfect harmony. Oh, and an automated tool that cuts wood and splits the logs into perfectly uniform pieces right at home. Enjoy this moment. Watch the thrilling moment when a man faces a massive, dark tree trunk. Each saw cut challenging both time and gravity. It's a true test where man confronts the immense power and scale of nature. The worker must precisely determine the first notch cut to guide the tree to fall in a safe direction, while keeping the stump strong enough to prevent an uncontrolled collapse. This machine, with its sharp rotating drill bit, is a perfect example of how technology transforms laborious tasks into something effortless. The operator simply places the log onto the machine table, and the rotating drill bit does the rest. This not only minimizes the risk of injury, but also significantly boosts productivity, especially in wood processing workshops or households using wood as fuel. Wow! The smaller logs go into this machine, while the larger ones go into the other. Each machine has its own specific function, and the end result is the same, turning wood into sawdust. Oh, the man is cutting down a massive tree, but it seems to have lost all its life, withered in the dry season. Let's witness this moment as the tree comes down. Similar to what we saw with cutting dry wood earlier, let's now witness the moment of felling a massive tree during the winter. This giant tree is right next to his house. Have you ever seen a powerful machine that can turn stubborn tree stumps into wood chips in just a few seconds? A huge, solid stump, but with just one compact machine, it's completely erased from the ground. This modern machine, specially designed to handle even the toughest, most stubborn stumps, features a high-speed rotating circular saw. Not only does it grind down the stump, but it also turns it into fine debris, ready for reuse or recycling. The machine's circular saw blade is made from a super durable alloy, capable of withstanding high friction and operating continuously without wear. As the machine runs, the blade not only spins but also generates a powerful cutting force, shaving off layers of wood from the stump. This process is not only fast but also ensures that the ground surface is completely cleared, making the reuse of the land for farming or construction purposes easier than ever. With its compact design and powerful engine, this stump grinder can be easily operated by one person, providing maximum convenience and safety. Right before our eyes is one of the most spectacular moments. A massive truck unloading tons of heavy timber at the workshop. It's clear that stacking the wood on the truck was done with precision to optimize space and ensure balance at the center of gravity. Wow! A modern piece of machinery equipped with a powerful spiral drill, specially designed to handle tree stumps and deep-rooted systems in the soil. When stumps are not thoroughly removed, they can hinder new cultivation or disrupt construction processes. Similarly, are you impressed by this forestry stump handling machine? Every machine comes with its own unique advantages and limitations. However, uprooting an entire stump is made possible thanks to the stump excavator, equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful rotary mechanism. The massive size of the stump and its surrounding roots are quickly dealt with, thanks to the support of a robust engine and an optimized cutting rotation system. Oh, look at that. It's like he's riding and whipping a horse. So fascinating. What lies before us is not just a simple task, but a testament to extraordinary courage and remarkable skill. When performing tasks at heights of several dozen meters, the worker must not only contend with environmental factors like strong winds, high humidity, or unstable tree surfaces, but also execute each saw cut with precision. This ensures the tree is cut properly without posing a danger to themselves or those on the ground. To help you understand better, let's take a closer look from the perspective of a high-altitude tree cutter. With years of experience in the trade, you can see that his rope climbing skills are truly remarkable. It may look simple, but when you actually try to do it, it's incredibly challenging. Oh my God, this guy is even more incredible. He swung on a rope from the tree to the roof and then down to the ground. What a skill! But please don't try this at home. For maximum safety, we should combine the use of ladders and ropes, just like this guy. Using safety equipment such as harnesses, helmets, and specialized climbing gear allows workers to maintain stability on vertical tree trunks. And balance effectively while sawing. Additionally, modern chainsaws are designed to be lightweight yet incredibly powerful, enabling workers to operate efficiently even in tight spaces or challenging angles. The mistake made by these two men in handling the tree resulted in severe consequences as the tree fell directly onto the roof, causing significant damage. Let's analyze the reasons and lessons from this situation. It seems the workers failed to thoroughly assess the tree's center of gravity, the resistance from wind, or surrounding factors. Cutting down a tree requires creating a precise and deep enough cut at the correct angle to guide its fall direction. In areas near residential structures, using ropes or support equipment to control the tree's fall direction is crucial. The clear consequence here is the partial destruction of the house's roof, highlighting the importance of careful planning. The sight of a red vehicle towing a truck carrying tons of timber through a swampy terrain is a clear testament to the power of machinery and its ability to handle harsh environments. With its wide track system, the vehicle can distribute its weight evenly across the ground, preventing it from sinking into the mud. This allows it to easily tow other vehicles or heavy cargo, even in complex and challenging landscapes.
Verga. Mira algo bonito, Ay, Dios santo.
Oh my God! When he just cut off the top of the tree, it started swaying back and forth violently, so dangerous. Luckily, he was able to avoid injury when he fell from that height. This stump grinder is equipped with high-speed rotating grinding or cutting blades, capable of grinding down and completely removing the stump, including exposed roots. When the machine operates, its powerful engine drives the blades, and compared to using an excavator or a handsaw, the stump grinder can process a large stump in just a few minutes, significantly saving time and labor. The grinding process generates wood chips that can be reused on site, minimizing waste and enhancing the ability to recycle natural resources. Wow! This tree clearing machine has the ability to handle everything from the roots to the crown, turning the entire tree into chips in an instant. It can process multiple small trees at once in just a few minutes, from chopping down the tree, grinding the trunk, to cutting the branches into smaller pieces. This saves a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to manual methods. The wood chips created during the shredding process can be used as organic fertilizer, mulch for covering soil, or even as biomass fuel. With its compact design and track system, the machine can easily move across various terrains, from soft ground to steep or rugged landscapes.
Shortcuts. There he is. We got him.
Oh, seeing a man bring down a massive tree without damaging the nearby fence is a clear testament to his technical knowledge, years of experience, and exceptional skill.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh. Oops.
This stump grinder is equipped with a high-speed rotating grinding wheel, integrated with ultra-durable cutting blades. When in operation, the grinding wheel directly contacts the surface of the stump, gradually grinding down layers of wood until the entire stump is turned into sawdust. The machine can process large stumps in just a few minutes, instead of the hours required by traditional methods. With its quick processing capability and ability to create reusable byproducts, this device not only optimizes labor productivity, but also contributes to promoting sustainable development. A typical example of the severe impact of natural disasters on our living environment and how humans respond quickly and effectively. In this situation, an excavator is performing a challenging task, dragging a massive tree trunk that was uprooted by a storm, with its roots torn out and the tree leaning onto the roof. Large trees with extensive root systems are often victims of strong winds. When wind speeds exceed the tree's tolerance, especially on soft or waterlogged soil, the roots can no longer provide enough grip to keep the tree upright. A creative and intelligent design in the wood processing industry, this device combines a standard chainsaw with a stabilizing system and an automatic throttle mechanism. This integration enhances efficiency, safety, and precision during the wood cutting process. The chainsaw is securely mounted on a sturdy metal frame. This ensures the saw remains stable, reduces vibrations, and guarantees precise cutting. When a log enters the cutting zone, the throttle is automatically activated to start the blade and begin the cutting process. Once the wood is cut and moved out of the cutting area, the system automatically shuts off the throttle, ensuring safety and fuel efficiency. Oh, a crane is lifting a massive log that was just cut down from high above. Oh my God, it seems like the crane's load capacity wasn't enough, and it immediately flipped over, tipping back. Oh, this is a convenient, highly portable technological solution that meets various needs in the forestry industry. This wood chipper is connected to the tractor's drivetrain via a power takeoff PTO shaft, providing energy to operate the chipper without the need for a separate engine. The wood chips or debris created during the chipping process are pushed out through a discharge chute and directly into a collection bag, ready for transport or use.